Looking for a career in accounting? Join Guardian's Training, where we offer comprehensive courses to help you become an expert in the field. Today, we're excited to introduce our Account Assistant course. So, what exactly is an Account Assistant course? It's a specialized program designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to assist with accounting tasks in any business or organization. Throughout this course, you'll dive into topics like bookkeeping, financial record keeping, payroll processing, tax preparation, and other essential administrative tasks related to accounting. Our course offers a comprehensive overview, providing you with a strong practical experience and working expertise in various bookkeeping principles and methods. Led by CPD Certified Accounting experts, you'll receive guidance throughout the course, ensuring you gain a solid understanding of accounting principles, tax returns, and payroll. We'll equip you with the necessary theoretical knowledge and practical skills to excel as an accounts assistant or finance assistant. You'll learn how to set up employees, process pay slips, maintain statutory payments, and handle various financial transactions. Our curriculum also covers tax laws and regulations, enabling you to confidently prepare and file tax returns for individuals and businesses. By the end of the course, you'll have the ability to create financial statements, balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. We focus on practical learning, ensuring you can perform bookkeeping tasks, reconcile accounts, and generate accurate financial reports. Additionally, you'll develop the skills needed to assist with payroll processing, including calculating wages, taxes, and deductions. With 100 hours of comprehensive training and 55 engaging sessions, our Account Assistant course is designed for individuals at an advanced level. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your accounting career, enroll in the Account Assistant course at Guardian's Training today.